back to the Opal Show, brought to you by Royal Flush Toilet Paper.
Welcome back. We are here with Roger Derriere, the author of the new heart-wrenching memoir, Your Butt Deserves Better. Now, Roger, please tell us. In this book, you detail your struggle as a lifelong user of regular toilet paper. How did you survive? What was that journey like for you?
You know, I would never want to condemn my parents. They did their best with what they knew at the time. And we had a large family, so of course they would look for ways to save money. But growing up that way, using rough, scratchy, pulpy paper with harsh chemicals. Growing up that way, I thought that's what wiping was. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, please, just take your time. And while he's doing that, audience members, look under your chair because you will be taking home your very own roll of Royal Flush paper. You get a roll, and you get a roll, and you get a roll. Everyone gets a roll.
So soft, so sustainable, so soft, so sustainable.
Oh. Calm down. Everyone, just calm down. Oh my goodness.
3-ply, 3-ply,
Oh.
3-ply, 3-ply.
Roger, do you have anything to say?
Hey, it's good stuff.
We'll be back again.
Your butt deserves better.